Hello, this is day 2 of learning English for beginners. Did you do day 1? If not, go back and do day 1 first. Hello, my name is Miss Joe. Name? What is a name? Her name is Sophia. Her name is Alexandra. His name is Andrew. His name is Billy. And her name is Kimberly. My name is Miss Joe. What is your name? You say, my name is. See? My name is. Let's try it. My name is. Your turn. Good job. That is a beautiful name. When we are learning, we use our ears to listen. Where are your ears? Can you touch your ears? Good job. You have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. We both have 2 ears. We use our eyes to look. Where are your eyes? Can you touch your eyes? Good job! Do you have 2 eyes? I have 2 eyes. We use our mouth to say. Our mouth to say. Where is your mouth? Can you touch your mouth? Good job. I have 1 mouth and you have 1 mouth. We use our brain to think. Our brain to think. Where is your brain? Can you touch your brain? Very good. This is your head. This is your head. Inside is your brain. You think with your brain. When you see this, I say, you say. Today, we will learn more animals. But first, can you scroll down and click like and subscribe to see more videos? Thank you. Look, so many animals. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals. Oh my goodness, more animals. More animals. Oh, less animals. Less animals. More animals. Ah, I love animals. More animals. Less animals. more animals again. Let's learn more animals. But first, let's practice the animals from yesterday. Look at the picture. Where is the dog? You point. Where is the dog? There is the dog. Good job. What does a dog say? Woof, 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 woof. Where is the cat? You point. There is the cat. What does a cat say? Meow, meow. I see a cat right here. Her name is Miriam. Where is the mouse? You point. Where is the mouse? Oh, yes, there is the mouse. The mouse is so cute. What does a mouse say? Squeak, 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 squeak. Where is the fish? You point. Yes, there is the fish. Good job. Where is the zebra? There is the zebra. Where is the tiger? Where is the tiger? There is the tiger. What does a tiger say? Yes, that is a roar. Where is the bird? There is the bird. Good job. What does a bird say? Tweet, 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 tweet. And last, where is the snake? Yes, there is the snake. What does a snake say? Great. You listen with your ears. This is a cat. This is a bird. This is a mouse. This is a tiger. This is a snake. This is a dog. This is a fish. This is a zebra. Let's learn more animals today. What is this? This is a farm. A farm is where plants grow. Plants grow for food. And animals live also for food. This is a farm animal, a cow. Cow. I say, you say. Cow, cow, cow. Ow. Cow. Great job. Cows say moo, and cows make milk. Cows make milk. This is a chicken. I say, you say. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Ch, I, k, n. Chicken. Great job. Chickens say cluck, 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 or bak, bak, bak. And chickens make eggs. Do you like to eat eggs? I like to eat eggs. This is a goat. I say, you say. Goat, goat, goat. G, o, t. Goat. Goats say ba, and goats make milk too. This is a sheep. I say, you say. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Sh, e, p. Sheep. Sheep say too. And sheep grow fur. Sheep grow fur. This is a farm. And on the farm, there are animals. Where is the cow? You point. Yes, there is the cow. Where is the goat? Where is the goat? There is the goat. Where is the sheep? The sheep. There is the sheep. So cute. Where is the chicken? Yes, there is the chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Great job listening and looking and saying and thinking. Now we practice counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is counting. Can you count in English? First, I say, you say slow. Second, I say, you say fast. Third, we say together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count with me together? Ready, set, Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. You are very good at counting. Look, this is my hand. This is my hand. I have animals in my hand. I have cows. How many cows? Let's count. 1, 2. I have 2 cows. Look, I have more cows. How many cows? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 cows. I have tigers in my hand. How many tigers do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 tigers in my hand. Great job listening with your ears, looking with your eyes, saying with your mouth, and thinking with your brain. You are going to learn English very fast. Come back tomorrow and we will learn more. More, less. More, less. More, less. Tomorrow we will learn more. Bye.